This is the whole thing? 89 inches of what? Oh, no way! This is one of those things! The whole console is the controller. That is quite possibly the worst joystick I have ever felt, ever. It's like an even bigger version of that awful slide around one from the DS family. It grinds. Wow, a single AAA battery. And with only a little bit of gross residue inside the enclosure. Wait, is this a flashlight? I'll take unnecessary feature creep for 100. Then we take our AV cable. This is just mono audio and composite video.